Hey all, Matt Long, Realtor here. Another neighborhood tour. Today, we're heading into Fox Hollow in Wildwood, Florida. As you've seen several of the other videos that I've done of neighborhoods, this is another one of those neighborhoods where you can find, it does have an HOA. You're looking at $50 a year. And it does allow you to have, as you can see, large lots. Most of them an acre or more. This community is a little bit bigger than some of the other ones that you've seen on my neighborhood tours in the past. This one actually is around 100 homes, lots, in this neighborhood. Currently, there are no active homes on the market in this neighborhood. There is one lot, although I did not see it on the MLS. There's a sign, but nothing on the MLS according to price. So it could be just an error. If you're interested in a lot in here, let me know, and I will be sure to look it up. I can dive more into the research and to who we need to contact to purchase a lot. There are lots that, as we go through here, you'll see that homes have not been built on yet. In this neighborhood, most things were built between 2001 and current date, which is 2020. We're in June of 2020. Over the past 12 months, the average home closing price is between $273,000 and around $475,000. So again, there's a bit of variety in the neighborhood. The size of home, the build of home changes. Everything can be completely custom. One thing, like most large neighborhoods like this, where they have an easier HOA, is you need to make sure if you have a second structure, a shed, a guest house, etc., that it does bear likeness to the original structure in either shape, shingle, or color. So that usually means you got to paint it the same. You can't have it some outlandish color or it standing out completely. All right, so as we came into it's a main straight road that leads us back around a loop. Now, to the left here is a short portion. We're gonna go left here, and then we're gonna pull a U-turn. I just want you to be able to see this short section and kind of get an idea of how deep some of the lots really are here. Like when we say an acre, it's an acre plus. Okay, so when we turn around here, it'll give us a better angled look at this properties here. So as you can see with this one, where the hedge line up here, the hedge line is the end of the property, and it comes all the way up around just to that marker post right there. As you can see, pretty large lots. And as we're coming up here, I'll kind of angle over here. There's a vacant lot over here to the left. Again, I'm going to angle up over here to kind of give an idea of lot sizes in here. So turn the camera here a little bit so you can see just how large these lots are. So and level back out here. All right, so that was the kind of the first little loop. Now, this is the intersection. We were just at this intersection right here. We took a left. Now we're gonna go straight. So as you can see, there's a couple loops, a loop around kind of, and then we're coming into the larger one. It's roughly it's a little more than twice the size of the last loop. And this loop comes around, and as you'll see up here, we'll have another option to go right or left. And we're going to go right this time. And what it's going to do is going right will take us to the cul-de-sac at the end of this part of the neighborhood, the most southern point of the neighborhood. We'll turn around and head back. We'll end up heading this direction, which is north. So to our left is north, to the right is south. We're going to go south right now to this cul-de-sac. See the cul-de-sac right up here? And we'll turn back around and head north. Most of the homes in this neighborhood are 3 and 4 bedrooms with 2 and 3 bathrooms. It's very standard, very common. Like I said, HOA, you're looking at $50 a year. Right now in this neighborhood, like I said, there's no active houses, but most homes were on the market for about 143 days. Was about the typical time it took to close properties here in this neighborhood. Property tax hover around $1,670 per year, and the homeowners association fee they have here in this report I have here says approximately $7. That would be most likely the monthly. From what I've showed on the MLS, it's $50 annually. On average, homes here are about $121 per square foot, and just typically you're going to see some of them listed in, like I said, in the mid 250s to the mid 300s. That's right around where you're going to see. There are no for sale by owners in this neighborhood. I've seen them before. But again, when the average home is on the market for around 143 days, that's a long time sitting. As far as the most recent closes, there was 2 that have closed in the last 180 days. They were more fortunate. They closed a bit quicker. The average home being a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, will close in about 84 days. The maximum at 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, that average for the neighborhood, closes in about 108 days. So the street that we have right in front of us, this is the main street we come in on, and I'm gonna start heading back out now. But this is, again, one of those kind of little treasure trove neighborhoods. I know some people like having structured neighborhoods. As you can see, like most residential neighborhoods and suburbs that people aren't accustomed to, they do not have sidewalks here. There are times where you have semi-agricultural part as their deed restriction, where they're able to have horses or goats or something of that nature. I'm not aware that this neighborhood is allowed to have a limited amount of certain farm animals. But it's a wonderful neighborhood. If you're looking to build or have bigger lots, then this is a great opportunity for you. If you have any questions, hit me up. My phone number is 352-403-3730. You can get me online at Matt Long Realtor, or on social media